Hey guys, quick heads up video. Last night I made a whole chicken in the Dyna Glo signature series, and towards the end I got the temperature pretty high because I wanted to crisp the skin. So this morning I walk by the Dyna Glo and I notice the thermometer is over 500 degrees. Last night it wasn't like that. And this is the Tel-Tru, the one that's made in the US. It's not real cheap, and it's supposed to be super accurate. So I looked at that and I thought, I'm not sure what's super accurate about that. But I'll tell you why it looks like this. So now I'm in my shop. I have a fire going in my little barrel stove. And let us watch this thermometer. Obviously, you can see that it's coming up in temperature. So if you have one of these and the same thing happens to you, don't panic. All the gauges that I've ever seen have a stop so that the needle can't go past a certain point in either direction. This gauge does not have a stop. So with 17 degrees last night, I can't tell what temperature it was showing between the 100 and 500. But it's not a problem. It's just reading a super low temperature and spinning back around to the high end of the display. But I just wanted to show this in case anybody else had the problem and thought there was a problem with the gauge. Hope it helps. You guys have a great day. Talk soon.